Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Telegram app. You're going to click on here. Go ahead and click on your Telegram channel. Click on your Telegram name, channel name. Click on administrator. Go ahead and click on add admin. Select your admin from the drop down right here, or better still, you can make use of search and search for admin. Go ahead and select your admin. Go ahead and click on this check mark right here. Admin promoted by. So you have successfully added an admin. It's that simple. Next thing you need to do is to click on this check mark right here. Now you have two administrators on your channel. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to use Telegram channel, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.